Gardening isn't just a task, it's your escape, creativity, and joy. At Bell Tower, we believe your garden deserves the best. That's why our premium tool sets are crafted to make every moment effortless and rewarding. Whether planting flowers, pruning shrubs, or growing vegetables, our tools combine durability, precision, and comfort. With sleek, ergonomic handles, even the toughest tasks feel easy, so you can focus on nurturing life and creating beauty. Imagine a space that reflects your passion. With our tools, you can bring that vision to life and enjoy a garden filled with joy and admiration. Get started today with an exclusive discount on your first purchase. Join thousands of gardeners who trust our tools to transform their outdoor spaces. Your perfect garden is waiting. Let's grow it together. Shop now and make every moment count.